welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, I welcome you. Thank you for clicking on this video, and please stick around and don't forget to subscribe if you are not yet. And let's get into today's video. I will be doing a very pink look today. A pink because, well, first of all, it's my favorite color, duh, hello. And two, I want to play around with pinks because pink to me, it's beautiful for summertime, so I'm very excited for this look. It is going to be simple-ish, but it is going to be at the same time kind of dramatic, I want to say, just because I'm going to be doing very minimal pink, but at the same time it's going to be like bold in a way because I want to put like a pink color on the inner corner, which is not typically what I do. I do want to get a little bit out of my comfort zone, so I do want to do that today. So if you are interested in seeing how I get this a pink look for summer, then keep on watching. I'm going to begin with the Morphe 35S Sweet Oasis palette, and I said this before, I think this is like the perfect summer palette, going from the packaging to the inside. All the colors to me, like summertime, you know? I want to just lay down like a nude shade all over my lid, so I'm going to be picking up the shade Al Fresco, and let's go ahead and just apply that all over the lid. I just want like some kind of color on there. I don't know, I feel weird without it. I do want just the slightest bit of brown, very soft of brown in the crease. So I'm going to be taking the Tarte Be You Naturally palette with a very soft blending brush, picking this brown shade right here. Literally just the tiniest bit. I want just a very soft brown color in the crease. Very light hand. I'm holding my brush again at the very end and using a light hand to blend it all out. Then I'm picking up the first brush we use. I'm not adding any extra product on it. Remember, we had the Al Fresco shade on there, but no extra product, and I kind of just want to go over here on the brow bone and a little bit under here. Make sure that it is nice and blended, and then do like one swoop on the eyelid, or two swoops. Alrighty, so now we get into the pink, the fun part. I'm going into my Juvias Place Zulu palette. This pink shade right here, it's a very pretty hot pink, and I'm picking that up with a smudger brush. What I'm going to try to do with this is my wing. I am going to bring it in just, I don't know, I think halfway, and then wing it out. And I'm going to also bring this color towards the lower lash line. So I'm going to clean that brush off so I can go back here into the lower lash line and I can blend this color out a little bit more. So I'm looking a little bit weird right now. Just trust the process. Trust the process. Now I'm going back to the Sweet Oasis palette, and I'm picking up a very small, I don't know what to call this. Is it like a small round brush? I don't know. It is the Morphe JS13, and I think this will work well for the inner corner. And I'm going to pick up first this shade right here, Love Struck. I'm not too sure if it's going to be dark enough or pigmented enough for what I want, but we'll begin with this. It's always best to begin a little bit lighter and then go in a little bit darker if you need. Afraid of placing too much of a dark pink there, but that's a good start. We're gonna see how this works out. On top of this Love Struck shade, I want to go in with, let's try this one right here, Private Villa. So it is definitely a lot darker on the brush. Let's see. Deep breath in. Out. Okay. Oh, I can do that. That's beautiful. Some water or like tears on the very inner corner part of my eye, and it looks darker on that part because it got wet. Interesting. We're just gonna have to work with it. All right, so same thing to the other side. First I'm going to do Love Struck and then Private Villa. I poked my eye. Okay, that's pretty. I can work with that. So usually I would put a little bit of shimmer in my inner corners, but I'm not going to do that today. What I am going to do, because I'm like extra or whatever, I am going to be adding some rhinestones, just one, onto my inner corner. So I'm picking these up. These are just like the same rhinestones that I use for my nails sometimes from Amazon, and I am going to be applying those using glitter glue. just pick up one of the brushes that I was using. This small one, I'm going to flip it to the end of the handle. And I'm going to squeeze just a tiny bit of that product on there. And I'm going to just dot it, dot, 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 where I want those rhinestones. So try to make them even, you know what I mean? You don't want to be all lopsided. And then the end does still have some of that primer on there, so I'm able to pick up the rhinestone with it like that. You see it won't fall. Dun dun dun. Bloop. If you like it there, if you need to move it around to adjust. I don't know. Let's see. Right there. No, no, that's too close. Okay, right there. That's good. No, no, no. Okay. Yeah. Next, I am just going to be brushing out my eyebrows. I am not going to add my black wing this time because we already have the pink. I was thinking about it though, but I decided not to. But I am going to just curl my lashes and add mascara. That I already did have a blush and highlight on. For blush, I went in with the Wonder Beauty blush right here. It gives you just a very beautiful light pink blush to your cheeks. And for highlight, since this is pink, of course I had to do pink highlight. So I went in with the Wet n Wild Megaglo highlight in Blossom Glow. Oops, oops. Oops times 2. For cheekbones, a little bit temple, nose, and cupid's bow. And so then finally, to wrap this up, now real question for me is, do I want to use a light pink color or a dark pink? I finally decided it's going to be medium pink. So first I'm going to line my lips with my Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner in the shade Under My Skin. And fill in my lips a little bit with that. And then on top of that, I'm going in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Milan. This video, like I said to you guys at the beginning, it's very simple but still at the same time bold because it's very fun if you do want to add some color to your makeup looks but you're still a little bit shy or uncomfortable with going too bold. This is like the perfect in between. I did add just one jewel, but literally you cannot go wrong with adding too much. Me personally, I can see myself adding more jewels to this look if I wanted to. I can go all along my eyelid right here, or even down on the bottom if I wanted to, like this one here, and like maybe 3 here on the bottom would look so cute also. I've been in the past where you do the jewels on the lower lash line and up like that. That's beautiful. I've seen a lot of people do 1, 2, 3, and 4. The fun thing about makeup is that you can get as creative as you want, really. So this is just one idea of what you can do with a pink. If you want to venture out a little bit of your comfort zone, then I recommend doing this type of look. And it could be with any color, it doesn't have to be pink, right? I'm doing pink because that's me. But this would look just as beautiful with any color. Bright colors, especially if you're looking to play around with color for the summer. Right now is your time. So anyways, don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!